So we are also moving to example 3. It goes, when f of x equals x cubed minus ax plus b is divided by x plus 1, comma, the remainder is 2. You can see that after dividing this one, there is a remainder of 2. That means x plus 1 is a factor. That is a divider. Let's start with that one, is a divider. It means it's a factor of this. That means x plus 1 equals 0. Because we said you equate that one. It means x equals negative 1. And you are coming out with a remainder of 2. What does it mean? F of x equals to that remainder. Which remainder is that? Is a 2. And we know f of x is already x cubed. So we are going to substitute in that. So we are going, where there is fx is already x cubed, we are going to put in a value of negative 1. We say f into negative 1, which becomes negative 1 cubed minus a into negative 1 plus b, the whole thing equals 2. So negative 1 cubed, you get negative 1 plus a, then plus b equals 2. Take this one, rearrange, you will get a plus b equals 3. And this is the first equation. And I've said, and x plus 1 is a factor of fx. It's just a factor. It means, since that one is also a factor, that means x plus 2 equals 0. So when you include x equals negative 2, they have said there is no remainder. If they don't include a remainder, it means the remainder is 0. So what we're going to do, we are going to look at f of negative 2, we equate it to 0. So what we're going to do is that where there is x, f of x substituting, and we know our f of x is given as x cubed minus ax plus b. So can we look at f of negative 2, which becomes negative 2 cubed minus a into negative 2 plus b. So our f of negative 2 is already 0. Here we are getting negative 8 plus 2a plus b equals 0. So can we rearrange it? So we are getting 2a plus b equals, this is a negative. When it goes out, it becomes a positive. This is the second. Then we say solving 1 and 2 simultaneously. So we are solving these simultaneous equations. Solving those ones simultaneously. The first one was a plus b equals 3. Then another one is 2a plus b equals 8. Look at which one can you easily eliminate. Is a b, because of them they have a coefficient of 1. I just subtract. A minus 2a, you're getting negative a. B minus b equals 0. 3 minus 8, you're getting negative 5. Divide both sides by negative 1. So a automatically remains as 5. You can just say in 1, which is a plus b equals 3. Our a is already 5. Plus 5 plus b equals 3. So what is b alone? B equals negative 2. Then the question was saying to find the values of a and b. So you can say therefore a equals 5 and b equals negative 2. So if you had write the polynomial, it will become f of x equals x cubed minus 5x. Where there is a b, put a minus, you say minus 2. So that one will have already become our clear equation in that. And I request go and open chapter 9 on Backhouse 1. Practice more numbers related to that. And where you fail, kindly email me or put them on the website. I will give you the possible solutions where you fail. And when you fail, first ask a neighbor first. You may find that a neighbor knows that one before. Don't just rush that I'm going to be sending to the website, they calculate for me. It will be very, very bad. My request is always and always first calculate by yourself and consult a neighbor. When a neighbor fails to get it, that's when you are free now to email me.